Kill him, boy.
Should we shoot this Drake mallard?
Shoot him, somebody.
There you go, good girl.
Kill that Drake or not. No. Yep.
Oh, with the both, baby.
Got a boy, let's go.
Let's kill him. You guys ready? Just wait. I don't know where they're.
Oh, what are these?
The green head.
It is?
That's the green head right there.
Let's kill him.
Nice shot. Leave the hand. Leave the hand. That's another Drake, actually.
Yeah, it was.
A young one.
It was a Drake.
Yeah, they're all wedge. They're all wedge.
Check see if that's a Drake.
These are mallards up top, I think.
Yep.
That's a Drake wedge.
Here comes some more. If there's a nice Drake, I wouldn't mind if you
wedge.
wedge.
Drake, wedge and kill him.
That was one.
What about these?
Those are wedge.
Which Drake up front looks like. I can't see no more.
What's that one right?
Kill that.
Good shot.
Drakes, boys.
Ready? I wasn't sure if that one was a Drake or
I
not.
think it was a young one.
I saw the.
That was a Drake right there.
I saw the brown breast on that thing. Bring it here, Roxy.
I'm pretty sure. This whole group, wait for him.
First one's the green.
Just wait.
Let him swing.
There's two Drakes right here.
We'll kill these. Kill him.
Get that one on the. Oh.
Shit, gun click. I shot the first one, though.
There's two of them, right?
Yeah. Somebody kill the Drake.
Kill them.
Yep, those are the two. Yep, leave it. Just wait.
They all flying now around us.
Oh, let them land. It's a nice Drake. Here's another Drake. Should we kill that one?
No. We got a bunch of ducks working here. I guess we should probably kill something if it comes.
Well, there's a Drake in the kill hole. There's one coming on the right.
Is this one dropping in on us too, huh?
Another wedge.
Oh,
They're right
it's a
there.
beautiful wedge. Oh.
Another beautiful wedge.
Should we kill the wedge in the Drake in the kill hole?
That is a nice Drake. I'll kill this wedge. You guys kill the mallard. Got.
Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, he's still up.
Another one. We got another one above us.
Let him go. That's a hen, bro.
That's a Drake for sure. Good girl. Good girl. Where's the bird? Good girl. Bring him here. Drop. Roxy. Drop. Drop. There's two Drakes right there. Should we take them?
Yeah.
Kill him.
Got the one.
Oh, he's going down.
That
Come on. These are coming.
That's a Drake.
Big time. There's two Drakes right there on the left.
Oh, landing.
Those are Drakes.
Oh, Drake.
Kill him.
You should have called it earlier. How?
What?
Yeah.
There he goes. I do agree. There's a Drake mallard right
There's
there.
a Drake, somebody kill him.
That's two. Two Drakes.
No, Drake. Shoot that. Oh, he's done. I got him.
Oh, he's got the decoy.
Is your GoPro on for that?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think we're done with extra ducks then. Look at that stud widgeon. Already of these three. Kill that Drake or not. No. Yep.
Oh, with the both, baby.
Got a boy. Let's go.
Was that was the Drake?
Yeah.
That was Drake. Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause I said these.
Dang, boy, that thing got some kick. Oh, it's.
Where?
Shoot him cool.
3 breaking off, coming back our way. Look like pennies.
These things are gonna come in, whatever they are.
Those are widgeon.
What are these out front?
Widgeon. If you guys want to, there's a Drake mallard right
Yeah,
there.
there is. Somebody kill that Drake. Here's a nice.
Nice Drake.
Man, we'll let them work. Oh,
There's a couple nice ones.
there's a mallard right there. Should we shoot this Drake mallard?
Shoot him, somebody.
My gun.
Nice.
Kill him!
Hell yeah! We got one.
Someone shoot a duck too?
I was not ready for that. Big old one.
She had it. There you go. Good girl. Good girl.
Wow, look at them.
Those are widge.
These are wedge, but the back ones are mallards. There's a big group on the right of mallards. Yeah, these are all on the right. Get ready on the right here.
That's a nice penny.
You want to shoot that pintail?
Penny, somebody on the left. Nice.
Okay. Oh my god.
There we go.
Cole, load your gun.
Just wait. You think I should?
Yes.
Look at that wedge in that cotton top. Oh my god. This is disgusting.
Holy.
Sit back and enjoy the show. Welcome to North Dakota.
Just wait till I see green.
I saw one. There's a lot of
Oh, I see
pintails.
green right there in the middle.
There's a few.
Right here. This is going to be the pass. Right here on the right.
I think these are all pintails.
No, there's some
That
mallards.
is a huge widge.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, I see a mallard right there.
I see a really nice widgeon.
Dude, we can shoot more widgeon too. It's not that big.
Oh, I should have shot that one.
Right out
Ooh,
front. Right out front. Here we go.
I want a pretty widgeon. Oh, look at that.
These ducks right out front. Get ready.
3 mallards right there.
Kill them, boys.
Oh, right there. Bam, that's a drake.
Go, baby! Woo! That was sexy.
Might have to be you. These widgeon,
Are they pretty?
they're all landing. This is a mallard. Drake, there's a drake right there.
They're both drakes.
No, only one.
This one on the right.
Shoot
on
it.
The right.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Those are wedge.
These are mallards.
There's a mallard to your right. Yep.
I folded.
Good girl. Good girl. Drop. 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 He's front too. That's a drake.
In front?
Yeah.
Kill him. Oh my god.
That was a Drake up top too.
Was it?
Yep.
I thought those were pintails. Oh, you're talking in the pair?
Yeah.
Oh, the other pair?
Dude, this is,
Bring it,
this
Roxy.
is some good duck hunting weather right here. This is
Yeah.
about
Like
as
a
good as
perfect
it
little
gets.
snow.
Good girl.
Yes. This shit is about as good as it gets right here for ducks.
Good girl. Drop.
Right out front. What are these pairs? These are widgeon. Kill that drake.
Oh, someone shot the hen. The bottom one was the drake.
Yeah, I know.
I didn't shoot.
That's okay.
What is this though?
Here.
Yep.
With a
Ooh.
pintail.
Yeah.
Oh, mallard.
That's a drake.
Yep.
Just
Yep.
wait. Just wait. He was out there a little ways.
Yeah, he was.
He's still here.
Yeah, kill him.
Kill him.
Kill him. Kill him. Nice shot.
Nobody else is shooting. That's a
Kill
drake.
that
Nice.
There's
That
three
thing
more. There's two of
got
them out
folded.
3 more Drake. Look.
They're
With
gonna go
Roxy
in.
out
Oh,
there.
no shit.
Don't shoot my dog. Though.
Yeah, be careful of the dog. They're so stupid.
Drake mallard on the right. Pretty sure. Ah, that's gotta be. That's a drake. Yo,
That's a Drake.
kill that. No, that's a wedge.
Yeah. Kill him. Somebody shoot him.
Oh. There we go.
One more.
I don't care.
Looks nice.
One more